So that was a tribute to our booklet guy. Thank you for being with me, and a small tribute to our celebrity, our brand ambassador, Amrit Deshmukh of Booklet Guy. I'm super excited. I hope all of you are. Thank you so much for being here. Another 5 minutes more, and we are going to invite our booklet guy whom we are waiting from last 3 weeks, and finally the time has come in to just be here. So from the time Amrit has agreed to come live, I am in love with books. You can't be there as an accountable partner having Amrit with you and you don't fall in love with books. So guys, just be ready. I could assure you that you are going to fall in love with books, and that's what this guy has done to me, because I have been following him very religiously, very closely, from so such an amazing personality, and the idea which he is working on, Make India Read. And trust me guys, I mean, the way he put down the summary in the booklet app, and once you read that summary, there is no chance that you will not fall in love. You get addicted to books. And that's what happened with me. I had a huge shelf of books, but I was so lazy to read it. But from the time I've connected with Amrit, he literally made me understand what's the power of reading books. I'm just waiting for him to come live. Hi!
Hi. Hi,
How
Lina.
are you, Amrit? How are
Thank you. Thank you so much for considering me as a deserving candidate to be on your platform. Thank you so much.
you are my honor that you accepted the offer of coming live with me. I mean, I was not aware. I have never been in touch with you. I just think you followed all your such a great work you are doing, and I was so fascinated with your work. So much thrilled about the way you do it. Thank you so much for accepting and being here. It's really my honor. Amrit is a famous brand now. He's a celebrity. Should I call you a celebrity? Should I call you a brand?
Uh,
As a booklet guy.
booklet guy is not a brand or a celebrity. Booklet guy is a spirit
It's a
that believes in the power of reading habit. Yeah.
superb. That's so amazing. I mean, it's so amazing. Every statement what you say, Amrit, it's like it's totally a different way of perception and understanding how you take it. So
Thanks
the
to
book
books. Thanks to
guy
books.
is a spirit. It's not a brand. It's a spirit that he's actually taking it as an idea which lives by. He breathes by. He on his in his brain, in his nerves, each and every cell of his body. He is running a mission of Make India Read. And today, all of us who are watching here, we are here to give wings to your mission, Amrit. And we all here promise today that we actually help in whichever way we can, where we can actually help you for your mission of Make India Read. So thank you so much. I'm super excited to hear your story, coming down from having the best of the best cars, a fat salary, expensive a handsome guy where the girls will be just following you back and forth, leaving everything in. You got into one room in a very normal state, grounded, just reading books for India. How come this change? What inspired you to do this?
See, whatever you said right now, I always remember that Sachin Tendulkar and Vinod Kamble. If you see both the boys, same age, same talent, same opportunities, and see one guy where did he go and the other guy where he is today, right? So it's he Vinod Kamble got carried away by the initial success, and then the same is the case. Whatever attention I'm getting, yeah, it's because I'm locking myself inside my bedroom and reading books. If I stop doing that and get carried away with the attention that I'm getting, I'll be doomed within weeks. Within weeks, yeah.
Yeah.
So I've come to realize after reading thousands of books